Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, in this question we have to suggest the technique of racemization to obtain more than 50% of racemic phenyl succinic acid sample as the plus enantiomer. The solution is as follows. There are totally 8 steps. So first step is dissolve the racemic phenyl succinic acid in a suitable solvent, that is, a good solvent is the one that dissolves the acid well and it is also non-reacting. Some of the examples of suitable solvents include ethanol, methanol and acetone. So step 2 of 8 is next is to heat the solution to reflux. The reflux temperature of the solution will depend on the solvent used. For example, reflux temperature of ethanol is 78.4 degree Celsius. Next is step 3, monitor the progress of the racemization using polarimetry. So, polarimetry is the technique used to measure optical rotation of solution. Optical rotation of a solution is the measure of how much the solution rotates the plane of polarized light. Optical rotation of a racemic mixture is zero, while optical rotation of an enantiomer compound is non-zero. Next, step 4. Once the racemization is complete, remove the heat source and allow the solution to cool. So this is step 4. Next, step 5 is precipitate the plus enantiomer of phenyl succinic acid from the solution. So this can be done by adding a suitable acid to solution. For example, adding sulfuric acid will precipitate plus enantiomer of phenylsuccinic acid as a white solid. Next is step 6. Filter and collect the precipitate. Precipitate can then be washed with water and dried to obtain pure plus enantiomer of phenylsuccinic acid. Step 7 is to stop the racemization before it reaches equilibrium. That is, at equilibrium, the mixture will contain 50% of each enantiomer. If racemization is stopped early, the mixture will contain more of the plus enantiomer. So this is the key process to obtaining more than 50% of the plus enantiomer. Next is last step, that is step 8. Example of a specific protocol that can be used to obtain more than 50% of plus enantiomer of phenylsuccinic acid. So this is the overall procedure, that is dissolve 10 gram of racemic phenylsuccinic acid in 100 ml of ethanol. Then heat the solution to reflux. Add 1 ml of concentrated H2SO4. After that, monitor the progress of racemization using polarimetry. Once the optical rotation reaches maximum, remove the heat source and allow the solution to cool. Then slowly add 10 ml of concentrated H2SO4 to solution. This will precipitate the plus enantiomer of phenylsuccinic acid as a white solid. Then filter and collect the precipitate. Wash that precipitate with water and dry it to obtain pure plus enantiomer of phenylsuccinic acid. This protocol should yield approximately 6 gram of pure plus enantiomer of phenyl succinic acid, which represents a yield of 60%. So hope you find the solution useful. Thank you.